Okay, continuing on. I ran out of time last time. We have a division down here, and we styled the image up top here. A division of an idea pick. We styled the image down here up in the style sheet. And what I did was, if you look at the browser, yes, I had that tag incorrect. There is no R. It's non-broken spaces NBSP. Let's just save this and refresh. Now notice that the image, the problem that we had, the image is not the entire image. What this actually did was only gave us one line. So the image is trying to fit on one line. If I type this again, what that gives us is two lines. We're going to save that. I'm going to go over here. Whoops, and we have to have the page break. Now let's look at it. Keep playing here. Notice that the image is starting to come in. The full image is here. Basically, we're just giving it two lines. So, step back here for a second. Let's just think about this. So we have an image here, and we're putting it inside of a division. What we can actually do is declare the image size, or we can just keep adding line breaks. Either way will work. The point of this exercise is we're positioning the image on the page, and you can do the same thing for all block level elements. Right now we have margin left of 50, margin top of 100. Let's play with this. Let's reverse them. And I just want to show you. File, save, browser, refresh. See how that page, the image, moves up on the page. So that's how you position elements on a page. In terms of designing your pages, and this is where this gets important, what I usually do is open up Photoshop or some image editing program, and you can have the width and the height of your page that you intend to have. Let's say 800 by 600, that's pretty much a standard size. You can, in Photoshop, actually determine where the placement of images in text is going to be by saying 100 pixels over here, 250 down, so forth. That way you know what to put in here for margin left, top, and so forth in terms of positioning on the page. So when you're thinking about page design and position of divisions and elements on your page, Photoshop is a great tool to map out the block elements that you're going to be styling. So that is one way of getting the design of the page the way you would like. In fact, some designers have created an entire page in Photoshop and then actually mapped out the coordinates, and then they can style it in the style sheet exactly the way they want it to appear. So in terms of design, this is one way of going. We're going to move on. The next segment, I'm going to talk about navigation and how to include navigation on a page, and then we can get into a basic sample site.